Guys, Rocket Cuber here. Today we have a look on the breakdown of Feliks Zemdges 4.65 seconds official solve. Okay, first do the scramble. Okay, first Feliks did a cube rotation and he saw this cross edge. When he solved this cross edge in D move, he have saw this will pair these two and matches the center of edge here. So he did first D and solve this cross edge and then solve this cross, and he did a cube rotation and do R U2 R2, make a X cross with a nice pair in the front. He did a cube rotation and insert that pair in the back. Then he solved this nice case using like that. Then he did a cube rotation and do U2 or U2 R prime, and he instead of did a cube rotation he did a D wide and then solved that. When he solved that, he saw this block and determined that it will be a Sun case, so he did the Sun. When he completed the Sun, he saw a nice U pump and he did the U pump like that and adjust the AUF. This solve is a great solve and an efficient solve. It's a 44 moves solve. He had a 9.5 TPS and a great solve from a Feliks Zemdges. Is a legend. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for all subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, then please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.